Okay, can you introduce your character, and do you have anything to say to YouTube?
Hello, my name is Luke Figurine. I'm a Vocaloid, and it's always fun to dress things, feel like a diva.
Thanks.
And it's feel free to cosplay whatever you like. It's fun.
Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Ready? Go.
Nice to meet you. I'm Vocaloid.
Thanks. I love you. She's Chan?
Why are you? No, we're recording.
Yes, she's a Chan.
Are you recording? No.
Hello.
Hello, I'm making a mask.
No, look.
Hold on. Yes, I know.
Making a mask.
Like, why don't you want to be recorded?
Little square in front of my face.
That's not nice.
You're like America censoring everything.
Exactly.
Come on, Germany, you have Rammstein. They're very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what that looks like, to be honest.
Question. Who are you supposed to be? Huh?
Belphegor from Hit Band Reborn.
Ah, interesting. Hug? You, Kaiba! Hug me! And yes, I'm recording.
Okay.
I know.
Stalkers.
Bye-bye, Mello. Yeah.
Oh, what? Why didn't you have to,
Wait, when's the next, anime thing? I don't know. The next anime thing. I don't know what she's talking about.
like this.
Oh.
Something like this.
That's hard to say. You have to go online to find it. On the next convention we're going to, either Chattanooga or Cincinnati.